Hello Edusplorer, thanks for joining us and welcome back to our channel. If you are joining us for the first time here at Edusplorer, we go beyond borders to bring you inspiring content and also some very educating information. Hopefully you found some time to check our previous videos. If you haven't done so, we will encourage you to check our entire channel. Today we shall be shining our light onto the biggest automobile companies in the world, and also by this we mean we shall be shining our light onto those large car manufacturers that has always been around. Without any more delay, we shall just go straight into it. There are three leading passenger car manufacturers in the world. The global auto industry is highly competitive and is dominated by companies based in Europe, Japan, South Korea, and the United States. The world's largest producer of automobiles are based in China, the United States, and also in Japan. As we've just mentioned, here are the biggest car manufacturers in the world. If you are joining us for the first time here at Edusplorer, we encourage you to subscribe and share our videos to your different network. Number 1. Toyota. Toyota produced over 20 million vehicles in 2017, making it the largest car company in the world. The Japanese company traces its history to 1933, when it became a branch of Toyota Automatic Loom Works. It was headed then by Kishiro Toyoda. It became Toyota's Motor Company in 1937. Over the years, the company has managed to reduce production cost and also increased vehicle quality by adopting principles such as just-in-time and the lean production systems. The company's annual revenue exceeds over $200 billion as most recently, and also Toyota major markets are in Asia, in countries like India, China, as well as also in Thailand and Indonesia. They also have good market share in Europe, in Germany, France, the UK, and also in Italy. The company has also extended itself into the United States market as well. Number 2. Volkswagen. This German company produced over 10 million units in 2017, moving down to 2018. The company began operations as of May 1937 as a state-controlled company called Gesellschaft Verbandstung der Deutschen Volkswagen, as pronounced in the German language. The company's plant was destroyed in World War II, and as reconstruction came by, it was denationalized in 1960. The modern-day company includes branches such as, or you want to say that it includes a brand such as Audi, Porsche, Bentley, Seat, and also Lamborghini. The largest markets for Volkswagen company are in China, Europe, and also some parts of the United States. Most recently, the company has hit news in particular different way. It was in the news with regards to emission scandal, where software was used in diesel engines to downplay emission levels, and that has actually brought them into issues with the law and affected their image in one way or the other. If you are new to our channel, we will encourage you to subscribe and share our videos to your different network. Number 3. Hyundai. Hyundai is headquartered in South Korea, and it started its operation as the Hyundai Motor Company in 1967. The company was the brainchild of Chung Yong-young. Over the years, the company has slowly transformed into a conglomerate with numerous subsidiaries and affiliates all over the world. The company has 3 domestic plants and 6 international plants in the US, China, Russia, India, the Czech Republic, and also in Turkey. Hyundai enjoys dominance in Korea and has been in pursuit of a large global market through branding and innovative products. The last but not the least is General Motors. General Motors is headquartered in the United States of America in the state of Michigan, and it was established since 1908 as part of Buick. The company was renamed General Motors in 1916 and it became the leading car manufacturer in the United States by 1929. The company's global dominance has increasingly been challenged over the years by companies from Japan and South Korea. But the company edges out its competitors in North American market. China and Europe are other key markets for the company, the General Motors. General Motors brands include things like Cadillac, Buick, and also Chevrolet. Hopefully, we've been able to inform you with regards to the companies that are the leading car manufacturers in the world. If you feel that there is a particular company that should have featured in this list that you feel that we've left out based on our analysis, we would like to hear from you. If you feel that we've actually looked into those particular companies and in little bit details, and if you like our content, we will encourage you to give us a thumbs up and also share our videos to your different network. Without any more delay, we will encourage you to subscribe and share our videos, and we will encourage you also to check our previous videos. For now, thanks so much. We see you next time in our next episode. Have a good day. Bye-bye.